Give your plants the sunlight and airflow they need. Proper light and ventilation encourage healthy growth, stronger stems, and more vibrant flowers throughout the season. To grow healthy walnuts, provide full sunlight and deep watering during dry periods. Consistent care helps the tree produce stronger branches and better fruit.
This is the Calotropis gigantea plant. When it's cut, a white, milky latex flows out naturally. The sap slowly drips into the glass, creating a fascinating botanical scene.
Can the milk of this plant help cuttings grow roots faster? Today, we're testing this natural method to see the results.
Today, we're testing a natural rooting experiment. This walnut cutting is placed in fresh Calotropis milk for 1 day.
After soaking the walnut cutting in Calotropis gigantea milk, we are now transferring it into water mixed with ammonium sulphate. This is the next step, and see how the cutting responds and whether root growth to accelerate.
"20 days later, the walnut cutting has transformed dramatically. Healthy white roots have developed beneath the water, while fresh shoots and leaves have appeared above, ready for the next step.
Look at the difference. Strong roots below and fresh growth above. The walnut cutting is now ready for planting and further development. The walnut plant has become too big for its pot. Let's move it into a larger container and give its roots the space they need to thrive.
With more space for its roots, the walnut plant continues to grow stronger every day. New leaves emerge, branches expand, and the stem becomes thicker. Proper care.
It grows taller, stronger, and fuller day by day.
Give your plants the sunlight and airflow they need. Proper light and ventilation encourage healthy growth, stronger stems, and more vibrant flowers throughout the season. Want stronger and greener plants? Add organic compost to your soil regularly. It improves soil fertility, boosts plant growth, and helps retain moisture naturally. A clean garden is a healthy garden. Remove dry leaves, weeds, and dead plant material regularly. This reduces pests and diseases while keeping your garden looking beautiful. Hi gardeners! Here's a quick tip. Water your plants early in the morning. This helps the roots absorb moisture efficiently and keeps plants healthy throughout the day. Happy gardening!
Your walnuts are ready to harvest when the green husks begin to split naturally. Harvesting at the right time ensures better quality nuts and maximum flavor.
To grow healthy walnuts, provide full sunlight and deep watering during dry periods. Consistent care helps the tree produce stronger branches and better fruit. Regularly inspect walnut fruits and leaves for pests or disease. Early detection helps protect your harvest and keeps the tree productive throughout the season. Enjoyed this tip? Please like, share, and subscribe for more walnut growing and gardening content. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed this walnut gardening tip, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching.